Alright guys, so in today's video, man, we're going to be doing a full review and on feed over the clean Air Jordan 5 Lucky Greens right here, man. Definitely one of them ones that I had to secure, add to the collection. We already unboxed these things early, but I definitely got to go with more in-depth review, give you guys its own feed. So let's go ahead and hop into today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into the video, man. You guys already know, man, we bring you guys that consistent quality content for you guys. And I know a lot of you probably ain't gonna watch this one because it is a women's exclusive and it did not do extended sizes in these right here, man, which kind of sucks, bro. It kind of sucks, but at the end of the day, bro, for people that can't fit them, please let me know down below in the comment section if you're gonna be secure them things, man. If you are new here to the channel, make sure you leave a huge like on today's video and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. I feel like Jordan Brand going crazy this year with the releases. We literally have these joints dropping tomorrow, the Lucky Green 5s, and then this weekend, bro. This weekend, you gotta turn around and spend another $210, $215 on the Air Jordan 5 Olives, bro. Definitely these taking the cake. So if I had to choose one out of two, man, it's olives all day. But it was hard for me to choose between these two right here. So you guys can see, I got both of them, man. All right, guys, first things first, you see the box right here, man. Your regular Air Jordan 5 box right here. Huge red Jumpman on the top. And then on the size label size tag, you have women's Air Jordan 5 retro white, lucky green, and black. And I did get these in the size 10.5. I usually go to true to size of my Air Jordan 5s. So if I was you, I would do the same thing. Got nothing special on the inside besides, you know what I'm saying, your little quality control sticker over here. You also have another sticker down there. You guys can peep that one, and some regular white tissue paper. I know you don't care about the box, so let's get out the way. And bam, man, there we have them, bro. We got them back in hand. Back right here, man. These things right here is crispy, bro. Like I told y'all, it was hard for me to choose between the two. And you guys know I'm being very selective this year. Very, very selective, man. But the Air Jordan 5 Lucky Greens was something I could not pass up on. And it seemed like Jordan Brand been going crazy with the women's exclusive. If you don't remember last year, we got the women's exclusive Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens. And them joints right there went crazy. I'm going to show you guys some B-roll of that one. And you turn around and you give us another dope quality Air Jordan 5 with these Lucky Greens right here, man. I appreciate it, man. They doing some crazy stuff, man. Dropping some crazy, crazy heaters. I know I'm talking fast, bro, because I'm super excited about these joints right here. And I still haven't thrown them on feet yet, so I can't wait to see how them joints hitting and what pants I throw with them. But before we get any further in this video, man, let me know down below in the comment section if you will be securing a pair of the Lucky Green 5s. And real quick, man, you guys already know the way to go as far as rocking these Air Jordan 5 Lucky Greens right here. You guys see them, bro. OutRank Brand, man. You gotta check out OutRank Brand. Go ahead and check out the crew neck right here, man. Super dope graphics. I'm gonna get a little close up for y'all, man. Get a little close up. Y'all see, bro. Y'all definitely see what's going on, man. OutRank literally has you covered every single drop. It don't matter what it is, man. They always got some dope timeless pieces to go with your sneakers. And as you guys see by the crew neck, man, super nice material, nice graphics to go with the Air Jordan 5 Lucky Greens right here. And if the crew neck is too much, they also have a nice tee to go with it, man. You guys can see you got the OutRank on the front with the dice, along with a snapback cap right here, man. Some super subtle, some super easy to rock with this upcoming release. So make sure you guys go check out OutRank Brand ASAP Rocky. Use my discount code DeVintage to save 10% off your entire order. And they also have some other gear to go with some previous releases. You guys can scroll on their website, see all the dope stuff they do have to offer, but make sure you use that discount code, save 10% off using DeVintage on your entire purchase. First things first, man, I definitely want to show you guys, you know, you do have your nice quality leather all the way around the sneaker. They ain't give us no boo-boo leather quality. It's actually some nice leather quality on these joints right here. All white on the upper. And I thought something that was also dope was the netting, bro. And the netting right here got all white, super plush, and you do have your little black hits on the lacing system. Checking out the midsole, you guys can see, bro. You can see you got that Lucky Green colorway going all the way around this Air Jordan 5, and you do get your shark teeth in all black. Got your regular Jumpman on the back right there, no Nike Air, but something that's also cool that they added with this woman's exclusive is the dope 2-3 on the side in green and black. And I did mention it in my early look, my early unboxing for these Lucky Greens right here. I told y'all, man, the black tongue is definitely a nice pop. I'm glad they did not add the reflective 3M tongue, but something that we need to get either next year or 2026, bro. They got to give us the fire red 5s with the black tongue. tongue back in 2021 or 2022. They gave us a fire red 5s, but they gave it to us with the 3M reflective tongue. They still dope, you know what I'm saying? I think they would call it the 62-point game or whatever, but we need them fire red 5s with the black tongue, man. It just gotta happen. Something that's also different with this women's exclusive is the lacing lock right here, or the pacifier is what I usually call it. It's like more of a cloudy look to it. It's not translucent as you do get on your, you know, regular Air Jordan 5 men's. So I don't know if this is like something they do for women's exclusives or something they did with just these lucky greens, but this is my first ever women's exclusive Air Jordan 5, so hey, it could come with all the women's exclusive joints. I'm not too sure. On the back of the tongue, you do get your Air Jordan right here in black, and then flipping it down to the outsole, you got another green Jumpman and your translucent outsole right here. All in all, man, super dope Air Jordan 5, bro. Had to be short, sweet with it right here, man. I didn't even realize the release was tomorrow, so I was like, man, I gotta give you guys this on feet. Gotta give you guys this review. So go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section if you will be going out and snagging you a pair of these Air Jordan 5s right here, man. Super interested in knowing. If you are new here to the channel, man, make sure you guys subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell. We got some more on feets coming. I feel like tomorrow or either Friday, I will be dropping the Isla 5 on feet. Y'all been crazy on this early unboxing. So it's just, you know, it's just only right that I give you guys on feet, especially with it being, you know, a highly notable release. Something that the OGs really been wanting. I'm gonna show you guys how to rock these things on feet, how to lace them and all that good stuff, man. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate all the support. Again, man, thank you so much for tuning into the video. And all that's being said, man, we're gonna head and throw the Air Jordan 5 Lucky Greens straight on feet, man. So let's get right into
this year, jump out the crib, stack up my C-note this year, killing my ego this year, all for the people this year, only believe in the real, I do believe in no fear, and I got gang in this. I never switch on the tribe, I keep it all the way real. I'm in control of my feels. You see my highlights and study my real. Yeah. I'm showing more love this year, running more plays, finna scale up my business this year. The world in my palm, I'm a star, I deliver my cadence. I'm serving up chips to my peers, bringing the bread for the fam. Everything good on the side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking. She want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes. Hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes. I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death. Get to the checks. Flex, yes. Got nothing to lose, it's on the prove. Come from the trench. Cuban links on my neck, tanking. Freeze, smoking on dope, that diesel. Freeze, run until I miss my season. Lay back, geeky. Smoking on dope, that diesel. Young nigga gone off the deep end. Run until I miss my season. I keep a stack of them blessings, I'm ballin', I'm play callin'. They chain on me matching my smile, you know that I stay saucin'. Wrist flooded, she drowning. We good on this side, everything coming together. New whip, no leash, no key in it, they heat it. California on the plate, I'm out here playing for keeping. I pull up, she leaking. She want me for the weekend. My foot on the gas with the brakes. Hate me or love me, you see me. Flex, yes. I got my foot on their neck. I'm out with a squad to the death. Get to the checks. Flex, yes. Got nothing to